Let's make a bird feeder. I have a pine cone here, and I'm going to take some peanut butter. I'm going to spread it all over the pine cone and then roll it in this bird seed right here. Now, if you're allergic to peanut butter, you don't want to be anywhere near that, and you already know that. So you could use, this is some coconut oil, or you could use some Crisco. Just talk to your adult about it, and you could still do this activity. So what I'm going to do right here is take some peanut butter, get a lot on the knife. I have a knife here, but I actually feel like a spoon might work better. And then I'm going to start spreading it all over the pine cone. Do you think the birds can smell this peanut butter? Maybe, and it would draw them to my little feeder, and they would eat these seeds. Oh, it would make me so happy. All right, here we go. Spreading, spreading all around. Some's getting on my fingers. That's okay. I could just lick it off later. All right. Smells so yummy. I love peanut butter. I love peanut butter sandwiches, peanut butter cookies, peanut butter candy, like Reese's. Okay, there we go. Pretty good. Hope you can see that. Put my knife over here. Now these seeds I bought at the store. So they're bird seeds and they're for wild birds. And then also in this bag, there are some sunflower seeds. These are the sunflower seeds that I grew. I'm not sure, have you seen the episode where I talk about sunflower seeds and show you the flowers that I grew in my yard? You actually get to see how much the birds love. The birds of my neighborhood love those seeds. So I'm gonna make sure and put some of those on here too. They'll be so happy and say, thank you very much. All right, here we go. I just slowly start tapping it around, giving the seeds a chance to stick onto that peanut butter or the Crisco or coconut oil. Okay, looks good, looks good. Can you see how different it looks now that it has all these seeds on here? I see a lot of peanut butter right there. I want to give it another little dip in there. Okay. All right. Now, in order to hang it on the tree, I'm going to need to tie it with the string right here. And I'm going to wrap it kind of like if it was a scarf. Not all the way down like a belt, you know, through the middle half, but a little bit higher. I'm going to take it, put it through here, and tie a knot. If you can't tie a knot yet, you could have an adult do this part with you or for you. There goes my knot. Now let's see if it'll hold it. And it does. I can take this yarn outside and I know just the tree that I want to hang it in. It's the very same tree that I hung the wind sack that we made in the fall when we talked about air. All right, look at that spin. How fun. I wonder if it'll spin when it's outside. Let's take it outside. La, la, la.